So this is the question, okay, fourth one.
Yeah.
Right. So now you try that first pricing the swap.
We did this, na sir?
Fourth one is done.
Yeah.
Okay, then we are supposed to begin with fifth one then. Fifth one.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the question, fifth one. Okay. So fifth one, start with this pricing the swap. You can see the question, right? I'm sharing
Yeah,
as well.
yeah, yeah.
Because so that in the recording you can see the question. No? That's why.
Okay.
Just try the pricing the swap thing.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah, I also got it.
Okay. Then after 90 days, value receivers side. Okay, so value receiver sides means we will think from payer's point of view only. At the end, we will reverse the answer. If it is profit, we will consider that as losses. Okay. So that one, if I draw the diagram, it will be again every 90 days. No? So every 90 days, after 90 days, fine. So this is 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. So after 90 days, anyways, it will be priced at par, here. So at par means what is the par value? 750 here. So upper part is 750. Now the lower part is here, that is fixed pay. Okay, so here 3.93. Okay, so what is 3.93% of 750?
$29.47.
29.47. So
So
29.
after 90 days, that means uh, 90 day at 90 day, what is the value of the swap? That is at the end, from the end to 98 day, right?
Every this resettlement date, it will be priced at par.
Par as in?
Par means the notional principal amount.
Okay, but like from 360 to 90 or from 0 to 90 only?
0 to 90 itself. This is the resettlement. Na? Every 90 days, it will be settled.
Okay. So
Fine,
do
okay.
we have to take the notional principal into consideration here?
Yeah, notional principal is only 750, right?
Yeah.
So
It will be priced at par. That is notional principal.
okay.
And here, did you divide by 4? Because it is quarterly, na?
No, 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 no.
So then you divide by 4.
$7.35.
7.35.
So this is the amount that we will pay, right?
This is the amount that we have to pay, correct?
And after 90 days, we have to calculate again, right? The swap rate for the
But wait. 7 point, how much you said?
35.
Yeah, so I have agreed to pay 7.35, 7.35. 7.35 plus 750. I'll write minus here. Okay, this is minus.
No, but
Okay.
I didn't get why are we taking notional amount in this? Yeah.
Okay. See, when in an interest rate swaps, the calculation perspective, how it works is it is a combination of two bonds. The analogy. It is like I am long on floating rate bond. That's why I'm receiving interest. And here I'm short on fixed rate bond.
Okay.
I'm short on fixed rate bond. That means when I'm short on fixed rate bond, that means I am going to pay fixed rate. So you have to think like this is a bond only. So what happens in your bond? So when you are short means what? Short means as if like you are issuing bond. You are a company which is issuing bond. So when you are issuing bond, what must have happened? You must have initially received the principal amount, and then you will keep paying interest, and at the end you have to repay the principal amount as well, right?
Yeah.
You have to repay the principal amount as well, no? Whereas this one, long on floating rate bond, means it will be repriced to par. So even though practically you are not giving the principal amount, but calculation perspective, all this will be included. You are not actually giving 750, but calculation, because finally we are going to do netting only, no? So finally we are going to do netting only. Okay, netting of all these amounts.
Yeah, but netting of all these amounts,
Hmm.
but we are taking that 750 also, no? So it is a bit wrong number, right? What we are getting.
No. See, we are not paying 750 directly, but the netted amount only we are going to pay, be it the interest rates or be it the principal amount. The rule says that we are not paying the principal amount, but netting is happening.
Okay.
Okay. So here, now how do I calculate all these amounts? So the shortcut way is 7.35 into the discounting factor. Discounting factor 1 plus discounting factor 2, discounting factor 3 plus 750 into discounting factor 3. Now discounting factor 1 is equal to like Z1. So 1 plus, now what is the interest rates here? So for 90 days, they mentioned it is 1%, right? So 1% is for 360 days into 90 days. This will be your discounting factor 1. Discounting factor 2 will be 1 divided by 1 plus 1.2% divided by 360 into 180. Discounting factor 3 is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus
1.8%.
1.8% divided by 360 into 270. That
It's
360 is to
250, sir.
confuse. What 250?
Uh, wait. One.
Now the last 360,
Okay.
2%, that is just to confuse us.
Okay.
Because it is after 90 days, no? So the last one, 360 days, 2% is just to confuse us. Okay. Now, so now you just have to plug in all these numbers into this equation. Just calculate this.
Yeah.
Sir, here why are we taking only three? Like, why are we taking Z1, Z2, and Z3 and not Z4?
Yeah, because
It's after 90 days. It's after 90 days. Okay.
Yeah. So we have only this 1, 2, and 3. So this is 90 days, this is 180 days, and this is 270 days.
Yeah. Sir, first equation's answer is 707.28.
So overall, it is 707.28.
Yeah, 28.
Okay. Okay. Om, you also just cross check once.
Yes, sir.
Right, 707, right? Okay. Then par value is 750 here. So we are going to receive 750 and we are going to pay 707. So what is the difference? So payer's perspective, payer is receiving more, correct? Around 43 it will come to, correct? 750 minus 707, 43. So 707, 43 is our profit. That means it is their loss will be 43. But here the answer is saying 11.95, no?
Yeah.
So something then has gone wrong. Okay, wait, I'll just see the book, then I'll see my book. Mhm. This calculation is wrong. It should come to 761.95. 7.36 is okay. Or maybe because I have written 7.36. I don't know if it is because of decimal problem. 7.36 I have taken in my book, 7.36. And this also 757.36. So steps are all correct only. Yeah, steps is all fine only. So you both got the same answer, right? 707.
Yeah.
Okay. Do one thing. Just calculate again, taking 7.36. Let's see. And then see how much it comes to. So this will be 7.36. And Acha, one more thing. Did you take here it will be 750 only, right?
Sir, we are only calculating the part that we have done with yellow, na? What about the lower part?
That means
Means we I've calculated this df1 plus f2 plus f3 plus 715 to df3, and the lower these 1 divided by 1 plus
That is all factored in here, correct?
Okay. Okay.
D1, DF, discounting factor 1, 2, 3.
Ah. Okay.
Yes, sir. I got 761.
So that is all decimal problem then. Okay, you got 761, right?
Yes.
So
Sir,
seven.
so this is our value at day 90, right?
Day 90, 761. What
So,
we have to pay is minus 761. What we have to receive is plus 750. So that means we are at the loss of 11 point something, right? 11. If we are at loss, receiver, therefore receiver is at the profit.
so why did we compare it with 750 at 90?
Because see, value means what? We are calculating profit and loss.
Hmm.
So right now, after 90 days, it looks like we have to pay 761 and we are receiving 750.
Okay.
Okay, because we are short on fixed rate bond and we are long on floating rate bond. That means we have agreed to pay something, we have agreed to receive something, right?
Hmm.
So what we are receiving, its value is 750, and what we are paying, its value is 761.
Okay.
So now we are the payer. So for us, there is a loss of 11. But they asked us to calculate from the receiver's perspective. So receiver's perspective, they are at the profit of 11.
Uh,
Is it okay now?
so, can we do it this way?
Hmm.
First, we have the price of the swap, that is 3.93. Okay. What we calculated.
3.93, where is
Original swap.
this one?
So, what if we calculate after 90 days swap again and then take the difference?
We have calculated 3.93. Then what did you say?
Then we calculate the after 90 days swap. After 90 days, that is 1, 1.2, 1.8. That.
After 90 days. Okay. So this is
This is 3.93 is the original one. And
original one.
after
Yeah.
90 days, the swap will change, right? That is based on the data that you have given further. 90 days is 1%, 180 days is 1.2%.
Hmm.
So if we calculate that and this, we take their difference.
So you can do like this also. Another way is, another way is after 90 days, the interest rate, okay, the interest rate that, see what we have to calculate. Okay, so if you want to do from, I'll tell you another way to do this one. See, so another way is, we are standing here. Now we know that per annum it is 3.93 percentage, 3.93 per annum, 3.93 percentage. So what I have to do is, I can convert this upper part also into a fixed rate, because right now I know that for the upper part, the interest rate is like this. One, so let's do that way. 1 divided by 1 plus 90 percentage. Now 1% divided by 360 into 90. So this one, just, I mean, you do one thing, calculate the fixed rate for taking those three, taking those three datas. Those three means what? Those three as in just take these data. See, 90 days 1%, 180 days 1.2, and 270 days 1.8. Only these three you take, and you calculate the interest rates. You understood what I said now? Just calculate this one first
Yes,
of
sir.
all.
I calculated. It's 1.789.
Yeah. Okay, calculated, it comes to 1.789. Fine. So 1.789 you have calculated, right? And this is 3.09.
So, sir, this
So
basically tells us that we are paying more and receiving less.
we are paying more and receiving less, correct?
Receiving less, that is 1.789.
So 3.93% minus 1.78. Now both are fixed. We have converted. Okay, so now this difference has to be the profit then.
Not profit, loss.
Not profit or loss. This difference should be the profit or loss. So I am paying more, so it will be loss. What is the percentage?
Percent 2.14.
2.14% into 750 divided by 4. It will be quarterly amount.
Yes.
Just calculate.
That is 4.01.
4.01. Okay.
401, na?
No, 4.01. Now this 4.01 is the amount which you have to take the present value of this amount. Okay, so you have to take the present value because we have not discounted yet. We have just factored in only the difference amount. So 4.01 into, now you can do discounting factor 1 plus discounting factor 2 plus discounting factor 3 and calculate now.
That comes to 11.95.
So around 11.95 or 12. You can do this way as well.
Yeah, this makes more sense because it doesn't get the notional principal 750 involved.
Here it is involved, no?
Yeah, but that is the difference, no? Like interest payments, and then we are taking that full. In previous sum, we did all the present value for everyone.
Whichever you feel like easier, you may follow
Like,
that
this is
one.
more time
Saving. Okay, then you follow this one. Yeah. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt in this.
Huh.
I did not understand how did we get 1.789? Like I was calculating it.
It is just like how you are doing par rate. This one. So how much have you got this first
Yeah,
one?
yeah.
So it is just 1 minus Z3 divided by Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. This one only.
Okay, then it might be some calculation error.
Calculation. This part only.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. You have to ignore that fourth one. 360 days you have to ignore.
Yeah. So in all the cases we have to ignore. Like when we have to ignore that fourth one.
No, here the time period, this is 90
this
days.
For three,
this is 180.
times. Yeah, okay.
This is 360. This is okay. Now after 90 days, this will become 90.
Okay, I got
this
it.
Is 180. This is 270. So we have to calculate only till 270.
Okay. What?
And that has been converted into per annum. So you have to multiply by 4 to convert it into per annum. Okay. So that you will get 1.78 then. Is it okay?
Yeah.
But in this case, I think the normal mistakes that one can commit is because we are sticking here, you might forget to do the discounting one again, because you will think this is the amount that you have to just take care. Okay. So whichever you feel comfortable, you may follow that one.
Because many in website questions, many of the sums are solved in this way.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay. So now the second part of that question, another question, part 3. Part 3 is after 200 days. Can you see that one? After 200 days, this part now. 70 days, 160 days, 250 days. Okay. So here, after 200 days, now, so again I'll write the timeline.
For this also the price of the swap will be seen. No?
Wait, after 200, no? So 200 means over here. This will be 270 and 360. Right. So 3.93% that is fixed.
Yeah.
Per annum 3.93. So here I would have paid 3.93 percentage, 3.93 percentage. Okay. And then 750. Okay. So here
have
this
7, 8,
is
and 1.
200 days. So here this is the interest rates 0.8 percentage, and this interest rate 160 days is 1.2 percentage. They have also said that after 90 days the MRR on the 180th day was 0.9 percentage. That means over here 0.9 percentage. Okay, so 0.9 percentage. Now when you are here in between 0.9 percentage, this amount only you are going to get over here. Is this okay? 270th day, this amount only you will get. So when you get this amount, and then it will be repriced at par. That means how much will you get? You will get what is 0.9 percentage of 750? 0.9 percentage of 750 divided by 4.
1.6875.
So 1.68 you will get plus 750 you will get. So this is the amount. This is the amount you are going to get on the 270th day. If this is what you are going to get, you have to bring all this to the 200th day. So you will discount it at what rate? At 0.8 percentage. 0.8 percentage is for 360 into, it is for 70 days. 200 to 270, 70 days. Just calculate.
Seven 750.52.
Sir, but we can do this in the previous way also, right? The one which we did. We can calculate the swap period after 200 days also, na, here.
No, here it will be a problem. See, that is why what I was doing now, that may take 2 minutes more, but you can apply it everywhere. Now, why here it will be a problem is because then you are not factoring 0.9 percentage anywhere.
But we want at we want at 200 day, right?
But that amount will be 0.9 percentage. Now, see, in the previous case, it was priced at par because it was exactly falling on the resettlement date.
Okay.
So we could afford to do that way. But right now it is not falling on the resettlement date. Now you cannot ignore this 0.9 percentage now. Okay. Earlier what happened was, earlier you are not worried about what was the previous interest rate, because finally it was priced at par, no?
Yeah.
So because it was priced at par, did you bother what was the interest rate over here? No. Because it was repriced at par. So you are just concerned about the remaining interest rates.
Okay.
And you calculated. Okay, right now you then in this way here you cannot do, because you have to factor in that previous one as well. So that's why that one looks shortcut, but then you can apply only for that sum which is falling on that resettlement date. If it is not falling on the resettlement date, then it will not be possible then. You understood the reason? Because you are going to take 0.8 and 1.2, but where is 0.9 coming?
0.9 is the interest rate that we'll get on 278 day
Ha,
that we
correct.
have to take back to 200 day.
Ha, ha. Now this method, if you follow, everywhere it will be applicable. You can just say, but whichever you are comfortable, you may do that. But you just have to remember all these things. That what you are saying, na, that will be applicable only on the resettlement date. Is it okay? Just check how much it is coming to now, this amount.
Sir, I'm getting 750.5.
750.5. Yeah, 750.5 is right. Yeah. So the upper part value is 750.5. Correct. And the lower one, see, lower one, again, it is 3.93% of 750 divided by 4. That amount, how much is it coming to?
7.36.
7.36, and here also 7.36 plus 750. So 1 plus, now this 70 days will be the same one. You have to discount it. 360 into 70 days. And this one will be 1 plus 1.2 percentage divided by 360 into 160 days. This is 750 is also involved.
First, this 7.36 plus 750 upon 1 plus 1.2. The answer for this one is 753.34.
Overall, how much it is coming to?
I am calculating, sir.
How much is it coming to?
760.69 overall.
Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Hello?
audible.
Hello? I'm not able to hear.
सर का आवाज आ रहा था ना?
हाँ आ रहा था.
सर को नहीं आ रहा होगा अपना.
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
Sir, we can hear you.
Yeah. How much have you got?
760.
Correct. 760 point.
Um, Wait, sir, I deleted that. I got 760, but I deleted that answer.
Mhm. So 760 if you take, okay. Om, have you done this one?
Yes, sir.
How much have you got? 760?
Sir, actually, I didn't do this way. I did the previous way only.
So, but how much are you getting then?
I'm getting 9.57, the difference.
So it is not matching, no? See here, 760, and this is, so how have you done this one then?
Sir, I did the easier way.
Huh.
I got the difference 9.57.
No, but easier way means how? Just tell me the step.
I calculated swap rate after 200 days. I got it some 9 point. Just a minute. I had the, I
So
got it
how
as
did you
1.
do? How did you do? Tell me the steps.
After 200 days, I calculated the swap rate that I got as 1.36.
No, just tell me the steps. Like, what did you do? What is the step that you have taken? You have taken 0.8 percentage, right?
Yeah,
You took like this 1
0.8%.
plus
Yes,
0.8
yes.
percentage divided by 360 into
70
days.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
You got some number here.
yeah, yeah.
Then you took 1 plus 1.2 percentage divided by 360 into
Into 160.
160. Then you
Yeah,
got some number here.
yeah.
Okay. Then you must have done 1 minus z2 divided
Yes,
by
yes, yes,
z1 plus z2 plus z2. Okay.
yes.
Then you got the rate.
Yeah, that is
Then that
1.6.
1.36. 1.36. Now
Yes,
that 1.36, then you calculated here it is 3.93. So you did like this 3.93 percentage.
yes. For which
Okay.
I got difference as 2.56.
2.56. Then after this, what did you do?
After this, I multiplied it with the notional principal.
Which is 750.
Yes. Then I got 19.2. Then I divided it by 4.
4.
I got 4.8.
4.8.
This 4.8, I took the present value using the PV factors. That, so
4.8 using the PV factor.
PV
Okay.
factors.
So
After
discount
which I
factor
got
1 plus discount factor 2.
yes.
Now in all these numbers, where have you used this information?
So now that I got 9.56, I'll uh, I'll take it forward uh, by the rate which we have.
You will take it forward as in?
I got at day 180, right? This value 9.56.
Okay, wait. You have, okay. See, after solving this, what are you getting now? No, after solving this 4.8 and discount factor, what are you getting?
9.56.
How 9.56? This itself is
Yeah, but
4.8. Now you
I
should get lower.
multiplied it with the discounting rate, right? The two.
Okay. How much you said?
9.56.
9.56. Then?
Yeah. Then we want for 200 day, right? So I thought we'll take forward this from 200 to 180 to 200 day.
So what did you do then?
Yeah, I didn't do further in this.
Okay, you tell me, do the thing and then tell me.
Okay, but for this I need 20 day MRR to take it to 200.
Yeah.
That we don't have.
So you are getting stuck, no?
Yeah.
Then, and also see, when you are saying I will forward it by 20-day MRR, again that is wrong, because why are you saying 20-day MRR? Because if you are in 180 days, then only you require 20-day MRR. But you are on the 200th day now, right? Whatever you have done, it is for 200th day.
Right.
So how can you further say I'm taking it forward? You are already on the 200th day.
Okay. Got it.
You understood the problem. See why
Yeah.
your answer may come like approximate same is because this is 0.9 and this is 0.8. You know, it's all very close numbers. But the method that you are doing is wrong.
Okay.
Because this number has to influence the calculation. In the previous case, it was not influencing the calculation.
Got it.
Now this 0.9% has to influence the calculation. So that's why in the previous case, what you said, that method is absolutely fine.
Okay.
But in this way, it will not work.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, is this fine, clear now till here?
Yes.
So why this 750 and 760? So overall 10 is the difference.
760.69 is the answer.
760.69, correct. 769.69 and here 750.5, right? 750.
Yeah, 0.5.
0.5. Okay, so we are paying more. If they are asking from our point of view, who are we? We are the payer, so we are paying more. If they ask from receiver's point of view, so receiver is at profit. Okay, so remember these two difference you have to know on the resettlement date and in between the resettlement dates. Okay. So, but these are all practice only. If you practice, it will be really an enjoyable sums only. Initially, it may be like this, but later it will become an enjoyable one. The next one, sixth sum, currency swaps. Can you see the question? Question number is seventh.
Seventh?
Or
Sixth?
sixth, right?
Oh.
Sixth, currency swaps. This is the question. Okay, currency swaps. Then here, currency swaps. So now you do one thing. First, you calculate the fixed rate for US in the same way.
Sir,
How you calculate fixed rate?
This sum is fixed for fixed.
This sum is fixed for fixed. It is mentioned there. Can you see? It is mentioned down here. Fixed for fixed. Receive Australian dollar, pay USD. So you calculate the fixed rate for US first and see if it is coming to 3.9458. Then you calculate the fixed rate for Australian dollar. These are all yearly. Okay.
Sir, what problem I faced in this sums is that it was difficult to recognize that who is borrowing and who is swapping and for what they are swapping.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
See, it says receive AUD and we are paying USD. Think that we are payers always. Okay, till they mention anything else. If they say calculate from the receiver's perspective, then it is the vice versa.
But they don't give it very plainly that we are paying or we are receiving. They give it in a vignette form, right? So it's confusing there to identify that we are paying or receiving, or whether which currency we are using.
Okay, see that, then you have to show me the content, because answer will be there only the way they are writing. Then we have to read a couple of times.
Yeah.
If you read a couple of times, then you will get the hint, like, they will mention that they are in need of dollar. That means they are receiving dollar. They will not openly say that they are receiving dollars. They will say like they entered into some contract wherein now they want to hedge and so they need dollar, and then they are entering into a new contract. That means it is understood that they are entering into a new contract to receive dollars, and the other currency will be then paying. Okay, so that way couple of times we have to read to find out what they need to receive and what they must be paying. Okay. Yeah, just now you calculate the fixed rate for US. See, and whatever we are doing now, if you practice all this now, in fact, even the first 5 sums that we have done, you will really feel a lot of comfort. And the fear will go away from this subject if you practice immediately.
Sir, for US it is 3.945 and for AUD it is 7.87.
3.945 is matching, no? And so USD 3.945. Okay, 9458. So I'll just go with the written answer. And
Sir, I'm
for
getting
AUD,
for USD, I'm getting 3.68.
no, then that
67.
is wrong. 7.87%. Okay. So what is Z1? Om, just tell me what is Z1.
Sir, for USD I deleted that. For I calculated AUD na.
Okay.
For
Okay. Okay.
USD, my Z1 is 0.9803.
Wait, I should have it with me. I'll tell you. 2, 3, 3.5, 4. 0 point. What did you say?
9803.
9803. Okay, fine. Second one.
0.9425.
9425. Okay, fine.
0.9019.
This third one I don't have.
Okay, sir.
1 plus 3.5% raised to 3. You should have done like this only, right?
Yeah. And 0.8548.
So this is all then decimal problem then. So it is reaching to 1 minus Z4, Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 plus Z4 is equal to 3.9458.
Okay, I'll calculate it. Yeah, okay, got it. I got it 3.993.
Okay. So once you get this, the next step is after 0.7 years, revised term structure is given. Okay, after 0.7 years. So then now we have to find out the value. Okay. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. So after 0.7, now after 0.7 years, that means we are here, standing here. After 0.7 years. Okay. Yeah. See, now again, it is in between the revaluation date. Now I have to calculate separately only all this. What am I paying? I am paying USD. So USD is 3.9458% of amount is what, 100 million, and this is yearly only. So it is 3.9458. 3.9458.
So, but in this,
3.9458.
what are we borrowing?
Hmm?
We are receiving AUD. That means we have no. We are paying USD. That means we have received AUD notional amount, right?
Yeah, yeah. Plus 100. That means minus this is all minus. This is okay now. This step is okay. This step is okay.
Yeah.
Now 3.9458 into, now discounting factor 1 plus discounting factor 2, discounting factor 3 plus discounting factor 4 plus 100 into discounting factor 4. So discounting factor 1 is equal to 1 plus divided by, see, this time period, which is what, 0.3 years. So 4% raised to 0.3. Discounting factor 2 is equal to 1 by 1 plus 5% raised to 1.3. 1 plus 6% raised to 2.3. Raised to 3.3. Okay. Have you understood this one now?
So now here we don't have the 0.7 rate, right?
No, after 0.7 years, we are left out with 0.3 now.
Yeah.
So 0.3 rate is given there, 4%.
So in previous
0.34%.
sum that you told me, what was different in that?
Nothing different. Same way only we are doing.
But in previous sum, we had the 0.7, like 70 days MRR we had, no?
Previous sum.
In the swap sum. Yeah, that's.
So that is 200 to 270, na, gap.
Yeah.
70 days. So here also same way. After 0.7 to 1, this gap is what, 0.3.
Okay.
So this is for 0.3. 0.3 years. It's the same way only, no? Not clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. It is the same way only. Only the product is currency swaps. But that's why if you just rely on this one, then it will be difficult for you. You have to re-practice again and again. But once you do it, it will really take fear out of your mind. It is actually very easy. Okay, just calculate all this.
So 5.5. I calculated everything. The rate is 5.5.
How 5 point? This is acha, net you are calculating all.
Yes, the swap rate for USD.
All.
Should I tell you the PV factors?
Yeah, you just tell me this amount.
5.5.
You tell me this amount.
Yeah, it is 0.9883.
No. Not 0.9883.
Yes,
You've
sir.
done some mistake.
It's 4%.
Yes, sir, it's 0.9883.
No, have you taken 100 here?
Yeah.
So we are calculating the PV factors, right? We are telling the for 4%.
All this, I said all this.
That's full.
That amount.
जब तूने 3.948958 जो कैलकुलेट किया उसका फैक्टर्स वी हैव टू ऐड इन ना.
This step I am asking you to calculate.
But the PV factor should be based on this percentage, right? The new percentage. Yeah, okay. $94.196. Is it right?
Yeah, 94 point, correct.
Wait, sir, I'm calculating.
94 point, what did you say?
196.
Yeah. Okay.
The last one is 1 plus 7% raised to 3.3.
Yeah.
Okay.
This much we are paying, right? So
we are paying. Similarly, we have to calculate the upper part, what we are receiving.
we will receive, we are paying USD, we will receive, and we have
Australian
given
dollar,
the
same
amount,
way only.
Australian dollars.
Yeah, in the same way only we have to calculate.
Australian
But
dollars.
Australian rates we will use.
USD. Right?
And
you convert the Australian to USD because we are paying USD to compare.
94.1996.
So that is fine. 94.196 you take. Now what we are receiving is, okay. So what we are receiving is, okay, in the same way only you have to, so, because there also it was fixed. So 7.87, it is yearly only, na? So it is even easy. 7.87% of, we have to convert that into Australian dollars, na? See, it is mentioned initially $1 is equal to 1.4 Australian dollar. So we had 100 million USD. So 100 USD is equal to how many Australian dollar? Just calculate. 140, correct?
Yeah, 140.
So into 140. Calculate.
$11.01.
11.01, 11.01, 11.01, 11.01, and then 140.
Yeah.
So this is what we are receiving. So,
sir, can you explain this again? I didn't hear you.
Okay, 7.87% fixed, which you already calculated,
Yeah.
into 140 Australian dollar.
Right. Right.
Okay, $1 was 1.4 Australian dollar. 100 million is equal to 140 million Australian dollar. So for 140, we are calculating 7.87 percentage. That comes to 11 11.01.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay, so now I just have to discount it. So when I will discount, I can go for shortcut method df1 plus discounting factor 2 discounting factor 3. So this is 1 2 3 4 discounting factor 4 plus 140 into discounting factor 4. So discounting factor 1 is equal to 1 by, it is for 0.3 years. So Australian dollars rate is what? 6 percentage, no, Australian 4 percentage. 1 plus 4 percentage raised to 0.3. Then DF2, 1 by 1 plus 4 percentage. Uh, 4.2 percentage raised to 1.3. Then DF3, 1 divided by 1 plus 4.7 percentage raised to 2.3. And DF4 is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 5.1 percentage raised to 3.3. Okay. So you apply and find out the value here. This is what you have to do now.
$159.37.
It comes to 4 Australian dollar. How much you said?
159.37.
159. 159. Yeah, correct. 159.
How much we had in dollars? 90.
So 159.37. Okay, fine, perfect. Till here it is fine. Let's hold on till he does. This is
Yeah,
Australian dollar. Okay.
2 minutes.
So just wait till he does, and then we'll continue the further parts.
$159.37.
Correct.
Yeah.
So now the problem is both the currencies are different. So I cannot directly compare 150 and okay. So I
We have
cannot
to
directly
factor in
compare.
the inflation.
Not inflation. What inflation coming here? See, we have to convert this Australian dollar. See the answer. Answer is in Australian dollar. Can you see that one
Yeah.
at the bottom?
Yeah.
So I have to convert everything to Australian dollar now. That means this is USD, na? I have to convert it into Australian dollar. Now the exchange rate is further given down. Can you see 1 USD is equal to
1.2105.
1.2105 Australian dollar.
Yeah.
So 94.196 Australian dollar will be how many Australian dollar? This is USD, na?
Yeah,
How
that's
many
USD.
Australian dollar? Calculate. $114.024.
Yeah.
So I can rewrite this number as 114.024 Australian dollar.
Yeah.
Is it okay? Now I can compare Australian dollar to Australian dollar. So 159.37 minus 114.024.
45.35.
Correct. So 45.35 I am paying less, right? So that is my profit because I'm receiving more. 159 I'm receiving. So profit is
Yes.
45.45 Australian dollar. 45.4 Australian dollar. Understood?
Yeah.
So we
Clear?
converted it, both amounts into dollars, right?
Australian dollar, because the answer is given in Australian dollar. Whichever way they are asking, that we have to convert.
Okay. So we converted 94.196 into Australian dollars.
Australian dollar.
And we had 159.37 Australian dollars.
Australian dollar. Understood till here?
Yeah.
Okay, see, now we will not continue this one. What we will do is, you first practice these 6 sums once again, because rest of the sums are just this one only. So if you are comfortable in the varieties of sums that we have done so far, I would say at least 2 times you should practice without seeing, and then see if you are doing correctly or not after that. Like a test you do. If you are done with this one, believe me, the fear will go out of your mind, because rest of the sums you will find it easier. Then the entire subject's fear will go. So derivatives. And economics is very similar. Economics first reading is very similar. There are only 2 readings in economics. First reading is similar to this one only. So that fear also will go away. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
just practice these 6 sums. Remaining sums we will do together, but that time you will feel much more comfortable. Just these 6 sums you re-practice again at home. At least 2 times you re-practice. Okay?
Okay.
Fine. We'll meet tomorrow then. Okay, we'll stop now here.
Okay.